and the media says that Islam is an intolerant religion. And we Muslims here are apologizing. No, 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 Islam is not an intolerant religion. I say Islam is an intolerant religion. Intolerant towards corruption, towards injustice, towards discrimination, towards dishonesty, towards racism, towards victimization. Islam is an intolerant religion. Intolerant towards the evils of society. But today, all of these things, they have become the part and parcel of society. The society did not consider these things to be wrong. And in fact, Islam is an intolerant religion. Intolerant towards alcoholism, towards drug addiction, towards pornography, towards prostitution, towards adultery, towards fornication. Islam is an intolerant religion. Intolerant towards all the things which Almighty God has said are wrong. Whereas, at the same time, Islam is an tolerant religion, tolerant towards the good things. And you cannot force anyone at the point of the sword. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala says in Surah Baqarah, chapter number 2, verse number 256, La ikraha fid din. Let there be no compulsion in religion. Truth stands out clear from error. So you cannot force anyone at the point of the sword. And all the religions, they basically say that robbing is bad. Islam says that, Christianity says that, Hinduism says that. So what's the difference between Islam and the other religions? If all religions say to do good, then why should you only follow Islam? So if all religions say that robbing is bad, then why should you only follow Islam? Islam, besides saying that robbing is bad, it shows us a way in which people will not rob. It shows us a way how to achieve that state of goodness. And in Islam, we have a system of zakat. Every rich person who has a saving of more than the nisab level, of more than 85 grams of gold, he should give 2.5% of his saving every lunar year in charity. If every rich person gives charity, poverty will eradicate from this world. There will not be a single human being who will die of hunger. And after that, if any man robs, chopping off the hands. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala says in Surah Ma'idah, chapter number 5, verse number 38, وَالسَّارِقُ وَالسَّارِقَةُ فَقْطَعُوا أَيْدِيَهُمَا جَزَاءً بِمَا كَسَبَا نَكَالًا مِّنَ اللَّهِ وَاللَّهُ عَزِيزٌ حَكِيمٌ. As for the thief, whether it be man or woman, chop off their hands as a punishment from the Lord for their crime if they rob. Some people might say, chopping off the hands in this 21st century. Islam is a barbaric religion. Islam is a ruthless religion. USA, happening to be one of the most advanced countries in the world, it has the highest rate of crime and theft. I'm asking the question that if you implement the Islamic Sharia, that every rich man who has a saving of more than the nisab level, of more than 85 grams of gold, he should give 2.5% of his saving every lunar year in charity. And after that, if any man robs, chopping off the hands, I'm asking the question that will the rate of robbery in America, will it increase, will it remain the same, or will it decrease? But naturally it will decrease. You implement the Sharia and you get results. That's the reason. The least rate of crime and theft in any country in the world, it's in Saudi Arabia. You implement the Sharia and you get results. Not that the Saudi government, it is very intelligent, but wherever you implement the Sharia, you will get results. And some people, they say, you know, in Saudi Arabia when you go, you will come across every second person's hand that has been chopped off. I've gone to Saudi Arabia several times. I have not come across a single human being whose hand has been chopped off. Surely there may be some people whose hands may be getting chopped off, but the law is so strict that a person, he will think 1,000 times before robbing. So if you implement the Sharia, the Islamic law, you will get results.